It's a little step, but it's
yeah. You know, I said thank you. Thank you. I mean, it's a start.
This place from Berlin, and there is from Berlin this picture. I like that because I love sky and clouds, and I love the colors black and white. It's like a different landscape. Maybe all the landscapes are with color, but this is different, and I like the shadows at the building and the light in this part. That's I choose this photo.
Can English?
You don't speak English.
Hey Masha.
Hello.
So how was your trip in Berlin so far?
It was amazing as I expected it to be, so even better than I expected.
Did you learn anything new, photography-wise?
I learned a lot about photography from the presentations we had, and now I think I'm a bit better than I was.
And are you excited about the exhibition?
I think I am. I'm a bit nervous, but I think it will go really well.
Do it with jamón ibérico, jamón serrano, and you can do it like this and eat it, okay?
And
Or with chorizo too.
And you can eat it too with chocolate or
yeah, or with tomato, with
rallado.
yeah. The idea that we had is tomato triturate, no? Yeah, in a dish. And you make a piquito with tomato and a little olive oil.
Oh, okay. This is the typical Spanish.
This is like the Spanish
Piquito
size,
with
and this is like Moroccan size.
Sí, este también, ¿no?
No, this and this.
Okay.
Well, we have chocolate here, so. But this is Moroccan. Okay. No, this no.
Usually grandmas or grandpas or like mothers. Grandpas? Well, if grandpa knows how to cook, she will make it. They make it and it's made like you, I think you cook paprika, whatever, and then you smash it.
It's an interesting project. I learned a lot of things of photography. I meet people who share this passion, and I feel better.
Let's say that we can all just stay here, have a coffee, and we can send the participants to work.
If I go back in the market, for sure I will buy other things. Not for sure. I want to go in again.
So, everyone, si quieres puedes dar tu paseo por el mercado. We are going to meet here at 5. Then, here, we're going gonna be sitting here somewhere, okay? So at 5 here, okay? Try to think maybe with the little groups, what kind of photos you can take. You can walk also this way and up to you, okay? You can actually have.
You think they will become
Samuel?
Samuel.
Not really?
Wait.
Okay.
So it's not
questa domenicale ma perché qui non è
okay.
No, don't do that. It's okay.
Wait,
Here is raining.
Yes.
I like
Ah,
that.
the other one.
this one?
Yes.
Yeah, this was just
Beautiful. Oh, this is good. But it's blurry.
yeah.
Blurry.
Was cute.
This is beautiful.
But the back.
Gives me
I don't know, maybe it's not.
at least here you cannot recognize quite much the people, so you can keep them.
Your topic is food? Yeah.
Food and agriculture. Today we had a beautiful contact with food. Tomorrow is going to be the hard day.
These states are all part of a network which is called Aura Network, and Aura Network does projects about young people, social things, environment. The aim, I'd like to say the aim of Martin. Martin is the director of Rotterdam, which is the organization from Germany. Martin says something very beautiful, explains it in a very beautiful way. Martin says that the inspiration of this project, to start creating projects, started from 1999, I guess, after the war of Serbia and Kosovo. And when he saw that people were departed from each other, they wanted people to be together, like in projects like this, to work together, to have fun together, and to come up with good stuff together. So this is the main aim. So they do a lot of projects related to environment, related to music, related to arts, to culture, to social things. And this project is mostly related to nature in frame, which to photographers. These days, for these 4 or 5 days, we've been working in different groups, in 5 groups, in different topics, which is transportation, water, waste and pollution, help me, landscape, food and agriculture. Things are ready to be printed, and we're going to do this exposition on Saturday. I think you are invited to join us. They are invited. Oh, do you have any question, or did I forget something?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So, any questions? Or is everything here?
I had a question, and then what I wanted to say, where's Monica? But Monica's there. Thank you so much.
We briefly explain what we do and what we would like to do. We are 4 persons. We are here, Adelina, John, me, and Sergio, who are arranging this project. It's really new. It started this year, beginning January. And this is our mission, this is our goals, but mainly we are crazy about nature photography, and we really realized that there was no community about nature photographers. And we started with a really small thing, with an Instagram account that we invite you to follow us and join us and share your pictures there. We feature every day a picture in our Instagram, but this is not the only thing that we do. We have a nice website where we share knowledge and experience, and it's a place where you can learn, where you can enjoy, and you can be inspired with the work of other photographers, and it's a kind of connection among young nature photographers. Just to visualize, we would like to share with you some of the pictures of our community. If I'm able to find...
It's a project I learned more people, and it was nice, and I will cry when you go.
No.
Of course.
Apart, so I fell from the stars. I traveled long and I traveled far, and deep in the dark I followed a spark, and it led straight to your heart. There'll be oceans for us to tread, there'll be bridges for us to mend, but I'll stick through it, oh I swear. There'll be mountains for us to climb, there'll be days when the sun won't shine, but I'll stick to it, oh I swear. Bridges for us to mend, but I'll stick through it, oh I swear. There'll be mountains for us to climb, there'll be days when the sun won't shine, but I'll stick to it, oh I swear. There's a green grass, but I'll stick through it, oh I swear.
I'm feeling really good. We're at the end of our work, so we've been 3 days in the city. I'm at the water group, and we've been to the biggest lake of Berlin, and today we were in a river, and yeah, I really had I really had fun, and I met new persons, new people, and I learned a lot about photography and everything, so I'm really glad that I was part of this project. Thank you.
I could of course take all the pictures and in 10 minutes have a selection, but that's not your selection, that would be my selection. So I want to trust you and think that this is the best selection you could make, or at least it's your personal selection, and we will work on that. Okay? So now, let's go to these ones. I will go fast because there are many of them. If you have such a graphical spot. In this case, a subject. In this case, it might be more interesting to have it completely in the middle, because we are cutting this shadow here. We don't have much space here, and at the same time we have plenty of space here. Here we have this, which bothers me a bit. It's not completely on focus. I like this better because you have a triangle here and they kind of complement each other in a better way, so this is more interesting. It's one of the things I played the most with when I was starting with photography. Depth of field, perspective, and it's very interesting. But I have no idea. But it would be a bit complicated. And
I know. This one, right?
Yeah. Just wait. We give it some clarity and contrast, and then we're good to go, more or less. Here it would be nice to have it straight, and also there's two options. Either we put it right in the middle.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Maybe I didn't download it.
It depends on time.
Right in the middle, or we do like this on the side. The first part of food photography is to decorate the table. So we need to look for the nice composition.
But the battery is sharp enough. What should I do with settings? You make it better, right?
That was a bit better.
Here there is no... Yeah,
That's actually a nice idea. So for instance, you have the light coming from here. If you want to have a bigger shadow, then we do like this.
I am so happy because I learned a lot of photography, so now I am good at photography, more or less, and it's good. I am very satisfied about the trip in Berlin.
Super, je quello che mi izabralo.
Nein, this was your intention.
Actually, that's ja, ich meine, das sind ja auch hier.
Yeah, so I'm playing a lot of songs from the radio or from charts and turning the radio on and listening by hearing the song, and then one time or two times listening to the song, and then I playing the song later, and so I make my music, and I do often also some called medley, and I can present you now such a medley of part of such songs from the last years.
Yeah, definitely.